Hey guys, I've been using this mud wash recipe on my hair for some years now, and I just recently came across this secret ingredient that I've added to the recipe that both cleanses and nourishes my hair while also providing moisture and strength to my 4C dry natural hair. I'll link all the ingredients below in my Amazon store. I start off by mixing this herbal hair wash powder with some water until I get a pretty good consistency. Something like this. Then I use Rhassoul Clay, which is high in magnesium, silica, and potassium and acts as a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip my hair. I've been using it for a while, so I kind of just eyeball the amount that I know I need to cover my entire head of hair. Then I mix in some apple cider vinegar to create a paste that is easy to apply. I start off with a little and then I add a little bit more if I need to. When I get this mud-like consistency, then I like to mix in some oils. I usually mix in whatever I have left laying around. And I like to use this recipe on those off weeks that I don't shampoo my hair with a normal shampoo. I'm going to be posting a full wash day routine using this mud recipe, so if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when I do upload that video or future videos for that matter. And I'm going to get out of here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.